Hello, this is Debbie Pariyar, and um, for this week assignments that we have been assigned to research and talk about the job descriptions that we are interested in. And I'm interested in the job description of IO psychology, which is industrial psychology. Um, as you can see over here, the career path to becoming IO psychology begins with a bachelor's degree. And also, as I will work in this career, there are many summary positions that it requires, as you can see there, and one of the most important is applying principles of psychology, personnel administration, management, sales and marketings, and excuse me. Yeah, we have to involve in counseling, and we can also in the leadership place, and we can work in the private companies, universities or colleges, and at the same time here are different principal duties and responsibilities I have to have as I will become um, a professional psychologist in the future, which there are some of the responsibilities are policy making, policy planning, updating and using relevant knowledge, keeping up to date technically and applying new knowledge to the jobs, and um, thinking creatively, which means developing, designing or creating new applications, ideas, relationship systems or products, including artistic contribution. Excuse me. There are other duties and responsibilities that I have to do as I start working in that area in the field of psychology, which is training and development, to provide or identify the educational needs of others, developing formal educational or training programs or classes and teachings, or instructing others. And I will be also involving in recruiting, interviewing, selecting, hiring, and promoting employees in an organization. So these are the responsibilities and duties. At the same time, I have to have all these skills that is mentioned in my PowerPoint: speaking, active learning, active listening, um, social perspectiveness, judgment and decision making, and monitoring, reading comprehension, and writing. So these are the skills that I excuse me, need to develop to become the to work in the HR department actually, and that's where I work now as a compensation and specialist in the HR department, and I love that job. And the reason is because I've get leadership opportunities and to get the training as well, and there are other abilities as you can see here, and which I can't talk at this point because its time is getting more. But I would like to talk about why I choose psychology in my major. Is I love to lead the group and work in teams, and um, um, yeah, which allow me to work in groups, and I'll be able to be part of be in the leadership positions, to train co-workers for overall development like team building, cooperation, feeling of win-win situation as we work in a team. It's the time is going fast and I want to make it short so everyone can save their time. So I hope my presentations, and they do talk about the education as well as I have mentioned over here. So yeah, enjoy it, and then I hope that this job descriptions will help you to understand the importance of IOPsych job descriptions in the near future. Thank you. Bye.